అంటే I'll reiterate what has been said. Telugu film industry is made up of Movie Artists Association, Federation, Film Chamber, Telugu Film Council, and other bodies are there. Pratisari, when something comes, within us there are some statements made and there is no end to it. Dani gurinchi, we decided we'll form a collective body. Telugu film ఇండస్ట్రీ కలెక్టివ్ బాడీ ఫామ్ చేసుకొని దాంట్లో ఈ అసోసియేషన్స్లో ఉండే ప్రతి ఒక్కరు వాళ్ళ అసోసియేషన్స్లో వాళ్ళందరం కలిపి ఒక బాడీ ఫామ్ చేసి ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూ విదిన్ అవర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ ఫస్ట్ లెట్ us అడ్రస్ ఇట్ విదిన్ అవర్ సెల్వ్స్. No. Yes. Only the spokesperson. Yes, because the members will continuously be changing. Last time, Kiran was the president of the chamber. Now the president of the chamber will move and some other president will come in. Like that, different bodies will have different people, their presidents, their secretaries, they will be there. And also some elders of the industry will be rotating. So that whoever can spend time, whoever has a balance, will continue to see that all the problems are sorted out. That is the background of everything. On this issue, because this came out, ఇది కూడా like ఇందాక భరద్వాజ్ గారు చెప్పినట్టు it should not have gone out, but it has gone out. It's all things of the past. దానికి we had అందరం కలిసి we met with the movie artists, మాట్లాడుకొని we went into all the details. మూవీ ఆర్టిస్ట్ అసోసియేషన్కి రావాల్సిన డబ్బులు వచ్చేసినాయి. There is no financial irregularity as far as the movie artists associations. Whatever agreement they have signed for has happened and that money is completely with us. There is no doubt about it. Next event advance kuda undi. So financially there is an agreement signed. Beyond the agreement there will be lot of presumptions and assumptions. Those are not within the industry. They are third party event managers. So what happened amongst the event managers, we are not there to sit and sort out. Those things will be sorted out and how they have to be handled, they'll be handled at a future point of time. But that has, dani valla Movie Artists Association ki ఏ విధమైన లాస్ రాలేదు. So that issue is sorted out. So that is what we want to commentate. Idi let Naresh garu and Shivaji garu, you mention whatever you have to say.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.